Welcome back to Techies Tute. Today let's see how to create the graphical user interface using Eclipse in Java. So there are certain steps to do this, and before to perform these steps we have to check the Eclipse version and the plugin which is available for the swing design or components. So the steps are like this. First step is install the Eclipse Oxygen version, and this is older version basically, and we have to cross check whether the proper Oxygen version 64-bit is available on our machine or not. As well as along with that, for Eclipse Oxygen we want the specific JDK version also, that is JDK 1.8, that is also 64-bit. So 64-bit JDK first you have to install, and then Eclipse Oxygen version you have to install. So this is specific Eclipse Oxygen, because in Eclipse Oxygen inbuilt Swing Designer plugin is available. In other versions of Eclipse, the Swing Designer plugin is not available, and for those versions we have to install it explicitly. So better way to use the ready-made version, and Eclipse Oxygen will support for all features for Swing designers. Okay, so first step is install Eclipse Oxygen version. Then check the Windows Builder, that is Swing Designer plugin, is available inside Eclipse or not. If it is not available, then we have to install it using the Eclipse install software option. For that we need the internet connection, proper internet connection, and using that we can online check whether the plugin is available for the respective version of Eclipse or not. And if the Windows Builder plugin is available for respective Eclipse version, then we can install it. Okay, so for Eclipse it is available already, so no need to install it explicitly. Then third step is simple, like create a Java project. And then next option is create a JFrame. So how we create a class? Right click and create new class. Like that we have to just right click on our source folder and create a JFrame using the option other. So by default this option at the last, so go to the other option. In the other option, go to the Windows Builder option. Inside the Windows Builder we have a Swing Designer option, and inside Swing Designer we have an option like a JFrame, JApplet, etc. So we choose a JFrame, and after that just click to the next and give the name to the JFrame and click to finish. So JFrame class will create for you, and the source and view option will be available. Source and design option will be available for you. So the use design and source tab, that is for the view and coding purpose. So design tab is for the just to view the frame and frame components, and source, that is a source tab, will help you whatever the design is available on a screen. So for that design respective code is available in your source option, that is a source tab. So I will show you in a Eclipse how it looks. Okay, so just go to the Eclipse. So I open my Eclipse Oxygen. Now this is Eclipse Oxygen version, and already inside this the Swing Designer plugin is available. Just check it. File. First I create a new project. So this is my empty project, Java project, and this is the JFrame. So I give a name JFrame demo. So click to finish. So first I close the unrelated projects. And now within a JFrame I don't have any source file, so I right click on source, look, and go to the new option. And then new option, we have a Java project, project class, interface, enum, annotations, packages, but I don't want this. I want the JFrame, so I go to the other option and go to the other option. So you have, look, so many options are available: general, EJB, Git, Java, Java E. So in that you have a Windows Builder option. Okay, so expand this Windows Builder. Then Windows Builder, inside the Windows Builder you have a Swing Designer. Okay, so just expand again Swing Designer. In a Swing Designer you have an option JApplet, JDialog, JFrame, JInternal frame, JPanel, etc. Okay, so we will take a JFrame, click to the next, give your frame name. So this is suppose my frame, I will give a name. Here also please try to follow the naming conventions. So it's a my frame, and obviously when you create a JFrame, your frame is extended from the JFrame class, right? So JFrame is available in javax.swing. Okay, so by default it is available, so don't remove this. Just click to finish, and now it will open the source and design option. Look at this is a source. By default a little bit code is available for you, right? And this is in a source panel, the tab, you can see it's a source tab. You click to the design tab, so it will see the design for respective code, and by default your frame is ready. Now it's an empty frame, and for this empty frame you have a code here, source, correct? Are you getting? So this is a design and this is your source for that design. Okay, and now using this drag and drop options we will design a frame, automatically code will create. Now this is a palette window. It is very important window for graphical user interface. It's a palette window. So in a palette window you have options, J panel, J scroll pan, J tabbed pan. Then you have a layout options. Then you have the labels, text fields, J buttons, combo boxes, check boxes, toggle button, text area. So almost all components are available here. Then in a menu section you have the J menu bar, pop-up menus, J menu, then checkbox menu, checkbox menus, radio buttons, J radio buttons. Then AWD components are available: panel, canvas, buttons. So button and J button, there is a difference. It's AWD component, and this is your swing components. Okay, which is started with the J. Why it is a J? It's a JFC classes, right? Java Foundation classes. Now I will show you how to create simple layout structure. So in a last video we have seen how to create the frame using the AWT, and there we use the layout as a null, and we use a set bounds, right? X, Y coordinate and height and width. But here for that basically we are saying it's absolute layout. So absolute layout means the components are added at exact position what you want. Okay, so how to put the absolute layout? Now in a layout you have an absolute layout. Another important thing in a swing is whatever components are available here, don't do the drag and drop. It's a click and put, is like this. It's a click and put. So I will show you. So first, now it is empty, so I will click on absolute layout. Just click on this. So just click and remove your finger from the mouse. Okay, and you just move the mouse. Okay, so there is no any click up now, and now it is showing me green. Okay, look at, it's a green plus. So here just move your cursor and now click the mouse. Okay, so I'm clicking my left mouse, single click. Okay, just click. Okay, now it's a now minus, so that means absolute layout is added now on a frame. So it works like a click and put. Okay, so to click and put, and after that now you go to your label. For example, this is label, and now just move this label. It's showing me XY coordinate. Look at, so where you want, just click and put, and here you can rename it. So when you put any component, by default, look at, this is J label, you just select that component. Here you will get a property window. This is again important window. So in a property window, you will get the all properties of this label. Look at variable name, label, new label. You have a constructor, so the whatever constructor name is available, so it depends on what name you will give to the your label. Then bound position, that is xy coordinate and width and height. Like suppose I change this, okay, so xy coordinate will change, okay, right, okay, so it will change. Then you have a class background color. If you want to change, then you can change it. So this property window will help you to change the all properties of this label. If you want to change the font, then you just click on these three dots, you will get a font. So it's very easy tool to operate. So new label, and you have a text here, new label. So here I type it, enter the message, okay, look it, so it will appear, enter the message. Okay, and in front of this label I want again a text box, so here J text field is available. Click here and then put it in front of this, correct, okay. And suppose this is your text box. I don't want, suppose you don't want a text box, then you just delete it. You select this and click on delete button, so it will delete. I want text area, so your text area is available, put here. So in front of the label, this is a text area, so just change the dimension. Now this is your text area, okay. Then I want one button, this is the, suppose click button, so I just move the top. Here is a button, just click on button, then button property will appear. Button name is new button, so I will change the variable name new button as a button click, okay, and just click here, so it's the internal name. Just click on again button. Now button name is new button. I will change text as a click me, click me, okay, and just press enter, so it is a click me. And then for text box, text area is a txt area, so I will give it txt area is a message, message box, okay. And for this frame, I click on frame, and for the frame also I will try to give the name, it's a title. Now title is empty, so this is my, it's my frame, look it, just press on enter and look the title bar. I press the enter, now it's my frame, okay. So this is overall how to put the component on the frame using the Windows Builder plugin, that is Swing Designer plugin in Eclipse. It's very easy to work on this, no need to write the code. And look, for this all components, just click on source, the code is available for you. Look at, for J label, the label is created, then font is set, bound position is set, then it is added on content pan. So it is added on content pan, then it is a text area is created, so just text area, new text area, then it is set, bound set, and then it is added on content pan. Then button is there, button is created, and button is ready for you. So this is overall how to create the graphical user interface uh, in a in a in a in a Eclipse using the window builder. So you can create whatever graphical user interface you want. If you want another window, then you can go to the source, right click new, again go to the new other, sorry, go to the Windows Builder swing, then JFrame, next, and suppose here I give it frame 2, finish. So frame 2 will be available. Look at here is frame, my frame, and here is my frame 2. So if you are working on frame 2 option again having source and design, it's empty now. This is your source option, and this is your my frame. This is also having design and source. So source and design, basically the options are available for the programmer purpose, how the look and feel will be there before I execute the program. So now initially I created a my frame, so just I click on run. So run as the Java application. Look at the frame will open. Now event is not handled yet, so we will handle it. Okay, so whatever, this is a message, so I will show you how to handle the event also. So click to the frame, my frame, go to the design option and click me, just click me. So click me having the, here you have the multiple options. So this is what the show event button. So click on show event button, and if you again click on that button, it will show you property. So for this button, this is a property window, and when you click on this, it is showing you event window. It is property window, event window. Are you getting? So for click button, you have basic event handling mechanism using action listener. So here you have a action perform method. You just double click on this, and the code is available for you here. Okay, on a click me. So what we have to do is just accept the data from the text area. So how to accept the text area is the get the name of text area, right? And this one is a get text. Okay, and here you store this in a string str is equal to. So basically text area is the object of your text area message, and this object dot get text is a method which returns you the string. Look at here, string java swing dot text j text component and get text. So get text is a method of j text component class, and this j text component class is available in java swing dot text package. Okay, so it returns you the string. So here it returns you the string, and then that string we have to display it. So we have a the another option, j option pan, that is a message box, and show message box, message dialog. We have this, and we have so many methods of message dialog. So we will use one method, this one, and here give it another component of the JFrame, empty component, and the second argument we will pass as the str. Okay, now it works, right? Save this, run the code, type it, the message hello, welcome to Techies Tute. Now click me, Look at hello, welcome to Techies. Now message is working properly, but it is not displaying properly. So I will try to adjust this uh, message text area. So go to the design. Now click to the text area. Go to the property windows, and here you have option line wrap. Just click to this option as a true, and now just run your code, and then you will get it. So again I will type the message, welcome to Techies Tute. Then I type hello, and then blah 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 blah. Look at now it's working fine, correct? And you just click on the click me, so it works. Welcome to Techies Tute and hello blah 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 blah. Okay, so working fine. So you try from your side, and if you have any doubt you just make a comment in a comment box. Okay, thank you.